My name's Sara Hely. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Riverine Plains. I wanted to talk to you today about a project that for Riv Plains and for farming systems groups in general is pretty much the first of its kind, where we've been able to link up with some world-leading scientists and some research that they've been working on for 6 to 10 years and actually demonstrate that on commercial farms with farmers and understanding what their experience is with that research being applied in a commercial farm setting. So the project is a collaboration of many organisations. It's funded by the Commonwealth Government and the Future Drought Fund, and works with the 2 drought hubs, the Southern New South Wales Drought Hub and the Victorian Drought Hub. We've been so lucky to work with 12 host farmers in this project, where they've looked at 3 strategies: nitrogen banking, incorporation of pulses into rotations, and the time of sowing, with 12 farmers across this region. So it's a super cool project, and we're in the last few months of the project now, so we're really starting to see some really interesting results. So today we had a workshop where we were able to bring the scientists, John Kirkegaard and Matt Dunn, to our farmers. So we had 20 odd farmers and showed them what this work has intended to demonstrate about these strategies, that they're profitable, that you can manage risk, and then you can get some really good outcomes. And we're now bringing in the farmer experience with that. Over the next few months, our host farmers will talk about their interactions with these strategies. Has it worked? Have they been quite nervous about applying these for the investment that it takes in time and money to incorporate them? And will they get the benefits that they've seen in the research trials? Normally, research projects don't go through to that point with farmers and look at what are the adoption barriers. So this is quite unique, and that's why I think working with Central West Farming, FarmLink, CSU, Southern Growers to look at their experience with research projects like that in real life commercial farms is really exciting. So we're rapt about having the turnout that we have today, and we're really looking forward now to see where the project ends up in the next few months.